Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been on a very long trip, and today when I came back I found that my plants are really stunted. So today I'm gonna give them like a rainforest kind of experience, watering them. First, let me show you all the plants that I have. So I have this one actually is in water, but you can see I think part of it is gone. It's so scattered. And then I have this one seems to be doing well. You guys can see it seems to be doing well. And then I have this, you can see it's really yellowish. And then you can see this one is almost collapsing. Like, I feel like it's almost collapsing. And then I have this. Now, these ones seem like they've been doing pretty much well, but the purple in this, you can see like most of them are dying or almost dead. And this, then surprisingly, I left these aloes, these are aloe veras, when they were almost dying, and for some reason they have been doing perfectly well. I just moved them from the other side of the balcony to this other side of the balcony, which has less sunlight, and I'm shocked to find them like this. So now let's take them to the bathroom and give them a full rainforest experience. And here is the big auntie. Sit here. Then I'm also gonna bring the water plants as well, the ones that are in water. I do have plans of repotting them. And the other auntie is here. Woo! So now I have two more left. Let me go and bring them as well. So now this auntie and this auntie, they have typically been in water, but I don't want to segregate. Each and every one of them has to experience this. So I'm gonna put it right here, then put this right here. And then I'm in the bathroom so you guys can see the showers are up there. But I'm gonna use this shower head to just water them and yeah, like rain on them basically. So let's do this. So I'm gonna go ahead and just turn on the shower. So yeah, there we go. I hope the pressure is not so much. All right. Now, as I was watering, I noticed this one is really bending. It's really weak. I don't know whether I should cut it off or I should first give it some time and see, maybe after some days it will come back to life. But like, it's bending. It's been so stunted. And this But anyway, let's continue. All right, so I think this is enough. I'm gonna leave them here for some time. And then, yeah. I'm really, really proud of this aloe vera because I almost threw them away. Because they were drying. Like you can see the tips. Oops. They are literally drying. So, and look at this. I love this. All right. Wow. So I'm just gonna leave them here for a little bit so they can just be in here, and then later in the evening I'll take each one of them back to their original places. And I hope that my baby gets better. She doesn't look fine at all. Like you can see, she doesn't look fine at all. Guys, put a comment below and see what I can do with these plants. I do plan to get more plants, but then I'm scared because I am moving a lot. Who is going to help me care for them? But for today, I think this rainforest experience was amazing. They've had a great shower. They've had, yeah. Thank you for watching. So if you're a plant mom, you're a plant dad, leave a comment, tell me what your favorite plant was. And I plan to get more plants, and I'm really worried because if I'm not here, there is no one to take care of them. It's me that has to be there to take care of them. So the other two, how do they call them? I don't know their names. But those ones, I can water them like once in 2 weeks. But these other ones need water. And so thank you so much. And if you have any recommendations, any more plant recommendations, plants that you think doesn't need a lot of care, let me know in the comments because I will go get them, So these are just my basic starter plants. I really want to get more and more plants. So guys, thank you, and I'll see you in another video.